This dance is called Horses in Heaven. It's a 34 count, 3 wall, intermediate level line dance with 1 tag, 1 step change and 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, we're going to weave to the left. So you're going to cross the right over the left, left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on the left. Make a quarter turn right as you step forward on that right. Half a turn right as you step back on that left. And then you're going into a nightclub that you're going to put another quarter turn right on to start with. So quarter turn right, big step to the side on that right, cross rock, the left behind the right, and cover the weight on that right. And then add on a normal nightclub to the left, large step to the side on that left, cross back rock, the right behind the left, and cover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then, weaving off on the right. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, 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 back, rock, side, back, rock. Now our very first section, we have got the equivalent of a full turn. So your quarter turn, your half turn, and then that further quarter going into your nightclub. Should you need to try and take that full turn out, you can actually do, start the same as everybody else, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Now instead of turning, just step the left to the side, then cross the right over the left, and then just go into a normal nightclub to the right. Side, cross back, rock, recover, and then your left nightclub, the same as everybody else. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take out that equivalent full turn in that section. Add on a rumba box forward. So you're going to step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right forward, touch the left beside the right. Left to the side, right beside left, step the left back, then step the right a small step back. Rock back on that left, recover your weight on the right, then step forward on the left. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left, make a quarter turn to the right, you step the right to the side. That set of steps once more then. Rumba box off on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, back, back. Rock and forward, rock, turn. Let's add that to the top. Weaving off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Turn, 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 back, rock, side, back, rock. Side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, 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 rock, and forward, rock, turn. Step forward on the left and sweep the right. Into a weave, crossing the right over the left, left to the side, cross the right behind the left and start to sweep that left back. Cross the left behind the right, make quarter of a turn right, you step forward on that right, step forward on the left. Into a chase half turn, step forward on the right, pivot half a turn left, step forward on that right. Then step forward on the left, pivot yourself quarter turn to the right. That set of steps once more then, stepping forward on the left. 7, 8, step. Cross, side, behind, behind, turn, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot. Let's add that to the top. Weaving off on the right. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, 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 back, rock, side, back, rock, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, 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 rock, and forward, rock, turn, step, cross, side, behind, behind, turn, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot. Add on a rocking chair, but you're going to do this rocking chair facing the 4:30 diagonal. So you rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. You're then going to square yourself up to the 3 o'clock wall as you go into a cross shuffle, crossing the left and right, right to the side, left and right. Now you're going to make the equivalent of a full turn. So you're going to effectively do a third of a turn each time you turn. So you're going to step your right forward, making 1/3 of a turn. So you're basically going to be facing approximately 7 o'clock. Step the left beside the right. Make a further 1/3 of a turn. So you're going to be facing sort of 11 o'clock. Step the left beside the right. Then make your final 1/3 of a turn as you face 3 o'clock. Then step the left forward. You're then going to step forward on the right and pivot yourself half a turn to the left. So like I say, you are making the equivalent of a full turn. That set of steps once more then. Rocking chair off on the left. 7, 8. Rocking chair. Cross shuffle. Turn and turn and turn. Step, step, pivot. So some of you may struggle to get that full turn in. The fact that it is a full turn, you might find it a bit difficult. If you do need to adjust that section to take that turn out, what you can actually do your rocking chair, same with everybody else, and then your cross shuffle. Now stay facing 3 o'clock. Step your right back towards 7 o'clock, touch the left beside the right. Then step the left back towards 11 o'clock, touch the right beside the left. And then you're effectively catching up with everybody else. You step forward on the right, step forward on the left, and then go into your step pivot half. So non-turning steps should you need to adjust that full turn in that last section. Otherwise that is the end of the dance. So let's put it all together. Weaving off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, 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 back, rock, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, 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 rock and forward, rock, turn, step, cross, side, behind, behind, turn, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, rocking chair, cross, shuffle, turn and turn and turn, step, step, pivot. That is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Weaving off on the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. A lot of run counts in there. Now it is a 3-wall dance, not a 4-wall dance. It's not an error. It is only a 3-wall dance. With your step changes and your restarts, you'll never actually get to do the 3 o'clock wall. So we're going to have a go at the next 2 walls, join them together so you can see how that actually works. Weaving off on the right. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, 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 back, rock, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, 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 rock and forward, rock, turn, step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, rocking chair, cross, shuffle, turn and turn and turn, step, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, 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 back, rock, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, 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 rock and forward, rock, turn, step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, rocking chair, cross, shuffle, turn and turn and turn, step, step, pivot. So that is your walkthrough. Now we've got one tag, one step change, and 2 restarts in the dance. So your first one is your tag at the end of wall 2. Wall 2 being your 9 o'clock wall, you'll be facing 6 o'clock when you come to do your tag, which quite simply, sway right, sway left, sway right, sway left. 4 sways. That takes you into wall 3, which is where you have your first restart. After 32 counts, so virtually right at the end, you don't do that final step, pivot, half. So we're going to have a go at wall 2, add on the tag, straight into wall 3, restart after 32 counts. Weaving off on the right. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, 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 back, rock, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, 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 rock and forward, rock, turn, step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, rocking chair, cross, shuffle, turn and turn and turn, step, step, pivot, tag, sway, 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 restart, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, 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 back, rock, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, 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 rock and forward, rock, turn, step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, rocking chair, cross, shuffle, turn and turn and turn, step, restart, cross, side, cross, rock, turn. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. So your tag, 4 sways at the end of wall 2, and then into wall 3, your first restart after 32 counts. You then get to wall 5. So you do one wall without any interruption, and then on wall 5 you have your step change and your restart. So you'll basically dance 17 counts. So you will have just done your forward rock, your quarter turn, and then that step forward with your starting to sweep. Okay, your step change basically is sweep. So you're stepping forward on count 1, you're sweeping on count 2, and then you're restarting. So that happens, like I said, on wall 5. Wall 5 is your 6 o'clock wall. So let's take you up to 17 counts, do your step change, and restart. Weaving off on the right. 7, 8. Cross side behind side, cross rock, turn, 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 back rock side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, back, rock and forward, rock, turn, step, sweep is your step change and restart, cross side behind side, cross, rock, turn, turn. So that is your second restart with your step change. So hopefully you can see how it all fits in. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag, step change and restart information. End of wall 2, tag, 4 sways. Wall 3, restart after 32 counts. Wall 5, step change, restart after 17 counts. Let's give it a go to the music.
Five, 6, 7, 8. Cross side behind side, cross rock, turn, turn, turn. Back rock side, close step, touch side, close back, rock step forward, rock turn step, cross side behind, turn step, step pivot, rocking chair, cross shuffle, turn and turn, step, pivot, weave, your tag wall, turn, back rock side, close step, touch side, close back, rock step forward, rock turn step, cross side behind turn step, step pivot, rocking chair, cross shuffle, turn and turn, step pivot, tag sways. Weave, your restart wall, Zion, back rock side, close step, touch side, close back, rock step forward, rock turn step, cross side behind turn step pivot, rocking chair, rock shuffle, turn and turn, step, restart, weave.
Yeah, I bet that God's a cowboy,
Rumba,
off into the sunset in a big white Stetson hat. Every
step
time
weave,
you hear that thunder, it's just a posse full of angels riding
rocking
on
chair,
horses up in heaven, holding saddles on their backs.
weave, short step change, restart wall, rumba,
once you cross that river, you won't want to cross it back.
step, sweep,
There
restart,
are
weave,
horses in heaven, so you know that God loves cowboys, heading
rumba,
off into the sunset in a big white Stetson hat. And
step,
every
weave,
time you hear the thunder, it's just a posse full of angels riding
rocking
those
chair,
horses up in heaven, golden saddles on their backs. There are horses in heaven, and thank the Lord for that.
Hope you managed that one.